Imagine a world where silence is the loudest sound, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and every detail of life is a thread in the intricate tapestry of divine will. In the ancient narrative of the Israelites, a moment of profound religious and communal significance unfolds, capturing the essence of faith, sacrifice, and the intricate relationship between the divine and the human. This is the story of the dedication of the Tabernacle, a sacred space that served as the center of Israelite worship and the dwelling place of God among the people. The dedication of the Tabernacle is more than just a religious ceremony. It is a pivotal moment in the history of the Israelites, marking the culmination of their journey from slavery in Egypt to the establishment of a structured religious and social order. The event is described in the Book of Numbers, specifically in chapters 7 and 8, where the tribes of Israel, led by their chieftains, offer a series of elaborate and identical gifts to consecrate the altar and the tabernacle. Each day, for 12 consecutive days, a different tribal leader brings forth a carefully detailed offering, symbolizing the unity and equality of the tribes before God. The offerings are meticulously described, down to the weight of the silver bowls and basins, the contents of the golden ladles, and the specific types and numbers of animals. The repetition of these offerings, each day identical to the last, is not a mere literary device, but a profound statement of the egalitarian nature of the Israelite community. Despite the different backgrounds and histories of the tribes, each one is given equal importance and honor in the eyes of God. This equality is a stark contrast to the hierarchical and often unequal structures that characterized many ancient societies. The offerings themselves are a rich tapestry of elements, combining the mineral, silver and gold, the vegetable, fine flour and oil, and the animal, various livestock. Each component serves a specific purpose in the ritual, from the grain offerings that symbolize the bounty of the earth, to the animal sacrifices that represent the atonement and communion with God. The precise nature of these offerings, their weight, and their ritual significance reflect the meticulous attention to detail that characterizes the priestly writings in the Hebrew Bible. These writers, with their professional concerns and literary antecedents, crafted a narrative that not only serves a religious function, but also reinforces the social and moral values of the community. The dedication of the tabernacle is not just a one-time event, but a symbolic act that resonates throughout the religious life of the Israelites. The tabernacle, with its intricate design and sacred vessels, becomes the focal point of worship, a place where the divine presence is believed to dwell. The daily and annual rituals that take place within its walls serve to maintain the relationship between God and the people, reinforcing the covenant that was established at Mount Sinai. The second part of the narrative, found in Numbers 8, focuses on the consecration of the Levites, the priestly tribe that is set apart to serve in the tabernacle. The Levites are purified through a series of rituals that include the sprinkling of expiation water, the shaving of their bodies, and the washing of their clothes. They are then presented before the community and the Lord, where they are symbolically elevated and dedicated to their service. This consecration is a critical moment, as it establishes the Levites as the intermediaries between God and the people, responsible for maintaining the sanctity of the tabernacle and performing the rituals that sustain the covenant. The Levites' role is not just a matter of religious duty, but a reflection of their special status within the community. They are wholly given to God, taking the place of the firstborn sons who were consecrated at the time of the Exodus. This substitution is a powerful symbol of the ongoing nature of the covenant and the continuing need for atonement and renewal. The Levites' service is both a privilege and a responsibility, a calling that requires them to maintain a high standard of purity and devotion. The consecration of the Levites is also a practical matter, as it establishes a system of labor and service within the tabernacle. The Levites are divided into different groups, each with specific responsibilities, from the age of 25 to 50. This division ensures that the tasks of the tabernacle are carried out efficiently, and that the younger Levites are trained by their more experienced brothers. The system of watch and service reflects the organizational skills and attention to detail that are characteristic of the priestly writers. In conclusion, the dedication of the tabernacle and the consecration of the Levites are more than just religious events. They are foundational moments in the history of the Israelites. They establish the structures and practices that will guide the community for generations to come, reinforcing the values of equality, purity, and devotion. These rituals are a testament to the enduring power of faith and the profound impact of religious symbolism on the lives of people. As we reflect on these ancient texts, we are reminded of the timeless nature of the human quest for meaning and the enduring importance of sacred spaces and rituals in shaping our understanding of the world and our place within it.